Hey everybody, Tom here from Army Roofing. We're just doing the lower section of this roof in Ladner, BC. We had to taper these hidden gutters, as you can see, because we're getting water buildup in the middle. So John and Joel put some taper boards in there, and we also had to do this section here. We got a huge sag in the middle. That's the thing about these box gutters, you can only taper them so much. They always end up failing somehow, some way. Got the vent holes bigger. Top's all done. We just got to throw some drip edge in because I needed custom drip edge. Joe's trying to cut the drain a little shorter. It's too long when we put it through the hole. But everything's coming along really well. Just thought we'd give you guys an update on what Army Roofing's doing. So if you're in the Lower Mainland, BC area, call at 778-686-7663 or visit us at armyroofing.com. Bye for now.